Sometimes a woman will destroy a relationship by refusing to give up control to her man. When a conscious man takes steps to protect her or the relationship, it's often done out of love or concern. But a woman will misjudge his protective instincts and see it as him trying to control her. For example, he might ask her to stop being around certain people or situations that he feels are harmful. But some women will see it as controlling and push back. She will ignore his advice, or even worse, do the exact opposite of what he asked her not to do. And this is where the trust starts eroding. There is a huge difference between control and genuine concern, and all you need to do is ask yourself the right questions. Why is he saying this? What is the source? You need to understand that for a conscious man, his actions are not from a place to dominate or control you, but from a place of genuine love and to protect the relationship. Before jumping to conclusions or any unconscious reactions, ask yourself, does this serve me and does this serve the relationship? And if the answer is yes, then you know it's not control.